The tuning is different. The looking is similar, but tuning is different, and style of playing is different. We use sometimes 4 fingers to play clacking, and 2 fingers, and step dance, and normal singing dance we have. So I will present you for the Kharak region, the Tibet and India border. The people play this style of Kharak region. So they use the very small damyan in there, but here I use for my kebu to be a very high pitched sound. Present you for the flutes of Tibet. Flutes is in Tibet Tibetan use for the nomad people. They have many animals, sheep, yak, goat. They have in Tibet the nomads used to go around, not a farm, they always take the animals in a good water, good grass. They always change the place to place. So sometimes they are very tired. Nomads are tired, animals are tired, but nomads, they rest and they enjoy with the music and the flute. Sometimes nomads, they play flute in the melody. We have a big animals like yak in Tibet. It's not tired easily because it's a strong animal. It's like a bison. So yak, usually you heard about the yak dance in Tibet. So yak, when the nomads play the flutes, yak are dancing. So the last time I went in the Yellow Night for the music performance, maybe some bison will be danced after my flute. I just joke. I present you for the flute of Tibet by the nomads. short thing of His Holiness the Dalai Lama is we have like a peace wall. This be a wall peaceful, or we call Tenzing Nolang.